Hello and what is going on today, guys? It's your man Corey here with All Action RCs. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. What we got here is our RedCat Gen7 with the custom enamel baby blue paint job and the custom roof rack that is bolted down. LEDs, front and rear, got 4 in the rear. If you guys are already on the channel, you've seen it. The truck is pretty cool. Oh. I'm going to try to scale up this bad boy here with one hand. There we go. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got her flexed out pretty good. Oh, easy to kill her. Already got a couple of nicks in the new paint. Oh, make that a few more. Throw a little bit of dirt. Nice. Yeah. Let's get some good brodies. Check that action out. Just quick bash. That thing is nasty. RedCat Gen7, baby. Nice. Come on. There we go. To the moon. Oh, oh, wipe out. Have to get us a repo. Oh. Shake some of that dirt about her and let her roll. Nice. This thing is really cool. I mean, plus it being all lit up, which will turn that off. You can even see where you're going at night. And right behind you too, because of them awesome red 4 LEDs. Straight back and 2 caddy cornered on each back of the bumper. Really gives you a wide array of what's going on behind you. And red viewing. Look, that is just sick. That thing just looks ignorant on it. Let me know what you guys think about the truck and the lights that I put on it. Should I put more on it? Should I put some like here in the headlights and then some amber blinkers to go with it? Let me know what you think. We also got to put new axles under it and all that, and they're going to be really nice. And we're also going to get the, I think they're called the Hilux Pro lines. They come on the ACX 10.2s and whatnot, so I'll be getting some of those. Even though these Super Swampers, they really do just fine. I mean, I kept up pretty well. And digging ruts. Just muscle our way through there. Nice. 4-wheel drive sideways. That's awesome. Oh, and that's how easy it is to roll over the rig. Old rookie here. Goodness. Figured I learned by now after 3 times of hitting that and flopping it over. I just wanted to get on it like quickly for some reason. My finger's always itching to go full throttle on these things. There's so many tire tracks all through this dirt. Like you'd think a lot of RCs come through here, but just one. Had to get my buddies over here to help me build this thing up a little bit better, and I'm gonna take down a couple things that go down off of that, and maybe put some things in the wall, wrap down around. It's gonna turn out really nice. I wonder if we can go up this backwards. Oh yeah, went right up it backwards. You hear them tires? Let's see if we can get the tires to bark a little bit in reverse without flipping it over. Oh, nice, I saved it. Thing's just digging in. Look at that. Nice. I cannot get the angle I want. That bumper's getting me. Oh, there we go. I really wanted to grab it up on there. That would have been really cool. I might have to set the truck up myself to get it, though. That's how hard that spot is. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Remember to like and subscribe. And thank you very much. All Action RCs here.